Welcome to SpringerMaterials, the world's largest, most comprehensive materials science database. In this video, we'll show you how to run a basic corrosion search. Let's start our journey on the SpringerMaterials homepage. In this example, we'd like to find the corrosion rate of 303 stainless steel in seawater. Select Corrosion Search at the top of the page. Type in 303 stainless steel for material and seawater for environment, and hit Enter. Note: this method of searching, typing the material and property into the search bar, is recommended for the corrosion search because this search functionality does not have the same property refinement as the general keyword search. This generates a list of all corrosion data available for this material and environment under various conditions. Click on More Details for more details about experimental conditions. It's that simple.